Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana and today we're making a cactus salad. If you want to learn Mexican cuisine, this right here is as authentic as it gets. So let me show you how to make this. It's so delicious. There are many ways a nopal cactus is sold. You can find them whole and with the spine still on the paddle. To clean them, simply cut around just enough to get rid of the outer spines. Then lay flat and remove them from both sides. To avoid getting hurt, I use tongues the entire time to hold the cactus. The spines are sharp and painful, so be mindful of that. Or you could simply buy them already cleaned. This is the way I like to buy them, still whole but cleaned. This allows me to cut them any way I want. Remove any spines that were missed, and once you are happy with it, rinse them well. Our next step is to slice lengthwise into thin strips, then cut the strips in half. And we're gonna need 8 cactus petals. Another way you can buy them is cleaned and cubed. It's very convenient and perfect for certain dishes. There's so many ways to make cactus. Learn to love them and you will not get enough of them. While cutting, you will notice they will release a gelatinous substance, and that's okay. Cactus are known for it. We will cook most of it out. Go ahead and place all of the cactus in a large deep pot and add a quarter of a large white onion. I went ahead and cut it in half so it fits better. Also add in a small bunch of cilantro and 2 garlic cloves. Place it over medium heat and cover. In a few minutes it will start to sweat. Just make sure to stir as needed. Meanwhile, we need to get started on some prep. Begin by thinly slicing half of a medium red onion. I picked red onions because of its sharp flavor and sweetness, and to be honest, I was also drawn to the color. I knew it would not only bring a distinctive flavor, but also a touch of color. For the 3 Roma tomatoes needed, go ahead and cut each one into 4 wedges. Then remove the core and julienne them, which simply means to cut them into thin strips. These are beautiful, bright red and meaty tomatoes, the perfect addition to a special salad like this one. Let's check on the cactus. I actually kept a close eye on it the entire time, and so far I have stirred twice already. Now you can see all the gelatinous part of it has released. The cactus has turned a pale green color, meaning it has cooked. Leave the pot uncovered and allow the remainder of the substance to evaporate. I will go ahead and take advantage of time and chop a bunch of cilantro that I will need. Its complex flavor and aroma really adds that special touch. While on cutting mode, I will also go ahead and dice up 12 ounces of queso fresco, which is a type of Mexican cheese. I know, this salad is full of amazing ingredients. Back to the pot, the slime has evaporated. Go ahead and remove from the heat. Rinse under cold water to cool it down faster. As you can tell, I already went ahead and removed the cooked onion, cilantro, and garlic cloves. They have served their purpose by adding extra flavor. Place the cooled and drained cactus in a large bowl. Feel free to taste it and notice its slight sour qualities, which is a sign of a tender, perfectly picked cactus. Also note the slight crunch is a great sign it was cooked right. Go ahead and add all the red onion, tomatoes, and cilantro. You can adjust these quantities to your liking. Here comes a special ingredient, whole pickled serrano peppers. I'm using 16 of them, which is about 1 cup. This salad has the perfect dressing, so let's make it. In a container or mixing bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of the vinegar the pickled serranos were soaked in, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, and salt to taste. I will be adding 1 teaspoon so that I can taste later and adjust if needed. Whisk in all the ingredients until well combined and pour over the salad. That oregano will awaken your cravings. The aroma is magical. Mix to ensure all of the salad is completely soaked and covered in the dressing. then taste and add more salt if needed. I added an additional half a teaspoon and mixed again. Finally, add the cubed queso fresco and gently mix it in. When I make nopales, I can't help but remember when my dad used to cultivate them and sell to the town. I remember a beautiful sunrise while my father sat on a bucket in the middle of a cactus field, cleaning them so he could head out and sell them. His secret was to harvest them early in the morning while they were still very tender. Believe me, it makes a difference. Great memories. All right, I'm gonna taste this in a taco. Here goes nothing. Oh my God. The cheese. So good. Just like I told you, it is delicious and super easy to make. That vinaigrette is amazing and the cheese is the perfect ingredient. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember that you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. Until the next one.